Hello fan collectors, Avenatti here, and I'm presenting you my newest ceiling fan, aka the unknown key Largo, as I'm not sure what it is. I am in my outside porch and I got installed, and it works perfectly. The wiring goes all the way down to there. It works perfectly. Here's the top, and there's the canopy, and yeah, it's hanging on like a hanger because that's what it came with. There's the top blades, and this is cane made of bamboo. Weird enough. This fan was made in the 1970s because it came with the house when it was built, and it was, I dated, I believe, 1974. And here's the tag. Wait. Yeah. And that's the only tag there is on it. There's no other tags. And yeah, let's get it working. It works perfect, by the way. So yeah, the chain sequence is really weird. It actually goes on, reverse, off. I'll show you. So let's set it to low. Actually, we'll set it to medium, and I'll just show you for the example. On, reverse, and then off. But anyways, here it is on low. And we'll get a better view from it in the porch room. This fan took me, I think, 4 hours to install. It was worth it. Out in my pool house. And this is low speed. I think this is as slow as it goes. Oh, I don't think I put it on full slow. Or maybe I did. We'll check. I had to carry this ladder here. I did all this by myself. Yeah. Yeah, this is its low. Might be a Moss heirloom, I'm not sure though. I actually think its slower low is reverse. Oh, okay. So in reverse, this fan is significantly slower on low. So you can see, and it's on low. These are the knob. This is a nice little low. Turn it up a little bit. I think there's something wrong with the flywheel, because it stopped. This fan stops very quickly. Off, on. So we'll turn it up to medium now. I believe that's medium speed. Yeah. This fan doesn't make much noise either, nor does it wobble. And I did accidentally scratch the switch housing when I had set it on the ground. Being that this fan is very heavy, I didn't mean to scratch it, but yeah. Let's go to high. Because I don't feel like demonstrating like all of its speeds right now. But this fan blows a shiz ton of air. It doesn't wobble that much either, which is great. But God, this is making me so cold. Because it blows a ton of air. Yeah. And then we'll turn it off. I'll show you how fast the slowdown is. It speeds down very quickly. Yeah, like that was really quickly. I'm not sure if there's anything wrong with the motor housing or not, or the flywheel. Please let me know. And please let me know what this fan is. I have no idea what it is. I don't remember Moss Heirlooms ever coming with a knob, or having such unique cane blade, or canopies for that matter. But yeah, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, subscribe for more. Till then.